Welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. Today we are going to discuss Mi-24. Mi-24 is a Russian fighter helicopter. It was manufactured in 1972 and is in service. Its price is $36 million. It has two ISOTOV turbines. It consumes 2200 horsepower to fly. It can fly with the maximum speed of 294 km per hour. Its travel range is 450 km. It covers 0.24 km distance in just 1 liter fuel. It can fly up to 14,750 feet in the sky. It can fly by carrying 12,000 kg weight, but maximum payload on this helicopter is 3,500 kg. Its fuel tank capacity is 2,131 liter. It has 11 general seats. Its exterior length is 57.41 feet. Mi-24 is armed with single 30 autocannon and has air-to-ground anti-tank guided missiles attached to each of its stub wings, which also contain twin 57 rocket pods as well. Okay friends, we will meet in our next video soon.